up, my foodies? Welcome back to the Eatery with your girl Kiana, and I am here today doing a cooking tutorial. I'm about to cook dinner, so I thought I'd vlog it because it's something that my family hasn't tried yet, and we can get their true reaction of how they or what they think about it. So I'm trying to, get dinner done before my husband get home. So just bear with me. It's gonna be a little chaotic with me trying to do the camera and cook, but hey, I'll make it do what it do. Today on the menu, we're gonna do something called chicken crack lasagna. It's a take on the chicken crack dip, if anybody ever heard of that. So let's get started. Okay, here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this cracked chicken lasagna. Of course, we got the noodles, lasagna noodles. We have mozzarella cheese and sharp cheddar cheese. We have evaporated milk, ranch seasoning packs, 8 ounces of cream cheese, bacon bits, green onion for garnish, and my shredded chicken. So this is really easy. As you see, there's only a few ingredients, and I'll try to remember to give you the measurements as I go along, but it's just these few ingredients to make it. So let me get ready to boil my noodles and make the sauce. Okay, so what we have here is a water bringing to a boil. We're gonna wait till that comes to a boil before we put the lasagna noodles in. And over on this side, I'm gonna get this, put this on low. And I'm gonna add the ingredients to make my sauce. So we're going to use 3 cans of evaporated milk, and the reason you want to put it on low is that you don't want the milk to curd. So having it on low is perfect. And so we're just gonna put those 3 cans of evaporated milk in. And then we're gonna add the 2 ranch packs. Let me get a spoon. Okay, and then we're gonna add the ranch packs into the milk, and this is gonna be the base for our sauce. Okay. So here's the first. And then here's the second one. And after this, I am going to stir it. Come on, get out of there. Okay, so that's the 2 packs. And then you want to stir it until it's mixed in. You want to continue to stir until all the ranch clumps are pretty much gone, and it's starting to thicken just a little bit. It's not going to thicken that much because we don't have a thickening agent in here. But that's what the cream cheese is gonna come in at. But I'm just stirring it around, making sure my ranch dressing is all incorporated. And I don't want any clumps of ranch. Okay, so here's the cream cheese, and I'm just gonna kind of cut down the middle. And then cut in cubes. And just add the cubes in there. And you want to use all 8 ounces of the cream cheese. And this is going to help it thicken up. And give it that creamy flavor and taste to your lasagna. And my water is just about to boil, so I'm gonna add some salt in there, then add my noodles. That last part in, then I'm gonna stir. So then we just want to stir it until it becomes smooth. And the cream cheese starting to thicken. Waiting for that. Let me get my salt. You want to add salt to your water, and you can be generous with the salt, so your pasta won't be dry. It'll have a little flavor with the salt that you added. And then you want to put the lasagna noodles in. I don't know how many, so I am going to do, I bought 2 boxes. I think I'm going to do both boxes just to make sure I have enough, because I'd rather have more than what I need than not enough. So I'm going to get these in as well. I think that'll be enough. Let me stir. My sauce. And you want the noodles to come back up to a boil. And then you can, cook them to your likeness. I like al dente because it's still gonna cook when it gets into the oven. Speaking of oven, let me cut my oven on 350 just to make sure they are underwater. Put my oven on 350. So we're just gonna keep an eye on this sauce. Slow and steady wins the race with your sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to finish stirring my sauce until it thickens and cooking my noodles. And then once the sauce is thickened and my noodles are done, I will come back and show you what it looks like before we start to layer. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back. So now the sauce has thickened and I have everything on the table. So now we're finna assemble. And then we're just gonna do layers. So we wanna start off, I have my sauce right here. We're gonna start off with some sauce at the bottom, just so it won't stick. And so I'll just put some sauce at the bottom. And you just wanna spread it around so it's on the so it's covering all the bottom. For the most part, it smells really good. Okay, and then you're just gonna start layering. And so next, so this is what the first layer looks like. And then next you want to put your shredded chicken. So you can use rotisserie chicken. You can use chicken that you had cooked already, just leftovers, or you can shred chicken specifically, you know, for this, if you didn't have any on hand. So I just have some shredded chicken. And we're just gonna put it across the first layer. So then you want to do mozzarella cheese. And you can do how much you want if you like cheese. I'm gonna use, I have some open for my cheddar, so I'm gonna use these two that I have open. And if I need some more, I'll use that. So I'm gonna put my cheddar cheese first. And you just wanna sprinkle. And then do your mozzarella cheese. You can try this with different kinds of cheeses. And then we're gonna do a layer of the sauce again. So then you spread another layer of the sauce. spread it around if you want. But when it bakes, it's gonna spread out and you're gonna have sauce everywhere, so you're still gonna taste it. Okay, then you get these handy dandy noodles. I'm just gonna layer them. They didn't come out quite how I wanted them. So I just know next time I'll get my ready baked noodle or ready for the oven noodles. Because these are, get my chicken out the way so I can see. A lot of these are breaking. See, look at that, shreds. So I'm just gonna try to pick some good ones. And the good thing about it is that nobody's gonna see under it. So only you know that the noodles were trash as you were doing it. So when it all comes together, they're not gonna know a difference. So don't get discouraged if the noodles, you know, break up or don't come out like you want them to. It'll be fine all in the end. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the rest of my chicken. Okay, and then we're gonna put mozzarella. Okay. Just gonna use the rest of that. And then I don't even gotta open my other one. I can use what I had open already. Use the rest of my cheddar cheese. It smells really good. And so I've had cracked chicken dip, but I've never had the lasagna. So I kind of have an idea what it's gonna taste like. But we'll see. So next, I'm gonna try to scoop up another layer of noodles. See if I can come with another layer. And so you just put your last bit of sauce, or actually I will have to open the other cheese. Because we want to put cheese on top. And then cover it with bacon bits. I'm just spreading it out. So at least for the top layer, it's all over. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in a second what the top looks like. Take all this off. I want to get all of that sauce. Make sure it goes in the crevices. And so you just want to sprinkle the top with bacon bits. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, well I didn't use any more cheese. So this is what it looks like when it's done. So we're gonna cover it, put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And then uncover it for an additional 10. And then I will come back and show you guys what the final product looks like and have my family taste it and see what they think. So I will see you in about 30, 40 minutes or so. Hey, welcome back to the Eatery. So I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. So this is the finished product. And wait a minute. Why you guys didn't tell me I forgot to layer the top part with cheese? Y'all should have told me. I should have said, Kiana, hold up. But I remembered, and I took it out and I added cheese, and then I put some more bacon bits on it. So this is the final product.
I told you.
He wasn't even here. That is cracked chicken lasagna. And so we're gonna have a salad with it, and I'm gonna fix my husband's plate and get his reaction. So give me 2 seconds.
So my wife, what is this called again?
Cracked chicken lasagna.
Cracked chicken lasagna. Okay.
Bloopers.
Alright, we about to dig into this. And what you put in here?
I put the sauce is made from cream cheese and evaporated milk, and then the noodles, shredded chicken, and you just layer it in.
Good. Okay. Now, see, this is a plastic fork. This is a plastic fork. Hold on.
You want a real fork?
All right. That's a better bite. Okay.
Show the camera.
So that's a better bite.
Okay.
Yeah. That's pretty good. It's creamy. It's seasoned really well. I like this. It's pretty good.
Good?
You did a good job, baby.
Thank you. Now to the mini-me. I take her, she don't like lasagna, or she claimed, but I told her just to try it. I gave her a little piece. Okay.
If you like spaghetti, you should like that.
I don't like lasagna.
Oh, you didn't
You
even.
didn't even bite it. You
She's
didn't
so.
even bite it. You
She's so
didn't even taste the
funny.
texture. You went crazy.
She's so funny acting, you guys. What don't you like about it?
Everything.
Okay.
She weird.
Okay, babe.
She weird.
Would you want me to make this again?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Get about her.
So this was a success to you?
Mhm.
All right. Take them out, babe.
With all that, peace.
You can say much.
Okay, let the little one take me out.
Oh, I'm too busy.
We hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you're notified every time she posts something new. And with all that, peace. Move.
He loving it, y'all.